The best way to get past a gatekeeper in B2B is to create value that the person that you're actually trying to reach can't resist, right? You have to develop something that is so good, so interesting, so unique that the person who you want to connect with, the person that you want to reach, is going to say to that gatekeeper as soon as they see the asset that you've developed, the story you've put in front of them, the email you've put in front of them, the Loom video you've put in front of them, I need to talk to this person. I need to get in touch with them. I want to take this call. That's how you get past the gatekeeper. And it's not easy. It's not going to be easy to reach the CEO. It's not going to be easy to reach the CIO, the CFO, the director, the leader of a team that you're trying to connect with. It might not be easy to do. But if you're persistent, if you build a relationship, if you add value, and if you can do that time and time again, and you're always respectful to that gatekeeper, you're always leaning into empathy and you're always building trust with that gatekeeper just as well as you would if that was the person you were trying to reach, that's how you get past them. You get past them by adding so much value that the person that you're truly trying to reach would find it impossible to decline an invitation to connect with you.